Today we are going to explore an algebraic identity a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equals to 4ab. For doing this activity, we will be doing certain preparations. We have to show that a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is 4ab. First of all, we will assume certain values. Let a be 12 centimeter and b be 4 centimeter. So a plus b will be 16 centimeter and a minus b will be 8 centimeters. Now, materials used for this activity are color paper, some color pens, pair of scissors, and a ruler. For this, we have made a square cutout of dimension 16 centimeters, and this is representing a plus b the whole square. And we have made another square cutout of dimensions a minus b, that is 8 centimeters, and this is representing a minus b the whole square. Now we have to show that a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is 4ab. For this, we have made these four rectangular cutouts of dimensions 4 by 12 centimeters, and apart from these, we have made two more cutouts of dimensions 4 by 4 centimeter and this of dimension 4 by 8 centimeters. Now let us demonstrate this activity. For this, we will take a square cutout representing a plus b the whole square and try to put another square cutout representing a minus b the whole square on it. And now we have to verify whether the remaining portion is equal to the area for AB. For this, we will take these four rectangular cutouts representing AB and try to place them on it. Now we have completely placed these three cutouts, and now you can see that these two cutouts, one of dimension 4 by 4 centimeters and another of dimension 4 by 8 centimeters, completely covers AB, and we'll put these on the remaining portion. Now this verifies that a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square completely covers AB. Now what we will do is that we will shift the position of a minus b the whole square and try to place it at the center. And now again we will take these four rectangular cutouts of 4AB and try to place them at the remaining portion. And now we observe that the remaining portion is completely covered by these 4AB, and so we have again verified that a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to the area for AB.